Hello and welcome back to MBBS Council. In this video, we are going to see another important facility in the app called the updates. It is available on the home screen itself. You can get it by scrolling it down a bit. Here you will find daily counseling tips, like shown on the screen. In daily counseling tips, you will get to know the rules and regulations in a snippet format, which will help you remember some rules on the go. And also you will be notified of YouTube video updates like this. YouTube videos such as predictions, updates and others will be posted on our YouTube channel. You can also click this image to watch the video. And also during the counseling period, you will be notified updates such as starting date and last date for registration, submission of application, etc., like this displayed on the screen. So, don't forget to check out the updates menu inside the app.